Here's another question for you. How can you find the area of this triangle? Now, for us to find the area of a triangle, we need to understand one thing here, is that this is a non-right angle triangle, so we don't have the complete height and the complete breadth, so we are going to involve some form of angles there and there. Now, the area of a non-right angle triangle is given by something like this. It's just a formula. Those letters can represent anything depending on the diagram, on the letters that are there on the diagram. But for me here, I'm going to use side what? I'm going to use this side, side B, and I'm also going to use that side, side what C, and I'm also going to use what? Angle A. Hence, my formula becomes like this. All right? My formula becomes to be area equal to half and side B and side C, then to be sine what? Sine A. Like I said, it depends on the available sides and the angle where it is. Now you can only find the area of a triangle where you have a side here which is known, and the side here which is known, and the angle here which is what? Which is known. So there must be an angle and the two sides subtended by what? By the same angle, and those sides must be known for you to find the what? The area of a triangle. Now let's go and plug in. What is our B? Our B is 2 meters, our C is 7 meters, and sine what? Sine 58 degrees. So you can get your calculator, there's no problem. Or what you have to do is just to punch. You can just punch. So sine 58 is giving me that, then multiply by 7, multiply by 2, when we divide by 2. So this is giving me 5.9. I'll round it off to 2 decimal places, 4 meter squared. So this is your area of this triangle. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow my Facebook page, and you can also contact me for online classes. I'm available. See you.